So today I think this will be our fourth assembly in the last 2 days, and we've been here in Clark County on 2 other occasions as well. I think for today's assembly we're looking at having probably about 200 students. So we're really excited about the fact that we partner with XRP, which is a robotics company.
And so with this partnership with Tribute to Valor and XRP, we're happy to announce that we're teaching you tech with the core values.
I think we have a dynamic partnership here with Tribute to Valor and the XRP robot, because together we're teaching a tangible aspect of STEM education with values.
First of all is the world of science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math, commonly referred to as STEAM. And then combining the importance of STEM, or STEAM, with having values of character. And we use the Medal of Honor as that symbol for young people to strive toward. So we tie this narrative together under the umbrella of who am I? And our hope is that young people walk away with a sense of perspective and commitment to ideals greater than oneself as they pursue opportunities in the world of STEAM.
As we look at workforce development and the future of the workforce, it's going to be very tech-driven. And so we're trying to use the robots to inspire kids to choose STEM career paths and then to go in and be able to be leaders for the next generation.